From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. We are under News 19 Weather Impact Alert Day, and we're continuing to track the possibility for some severe weather later this afternoon and this evening. Here's a look at the severe thunderstorm watches out towards our west. We do anticipate these watches to kind of spread a little bit more towards the east as we do go through the rest of your Monday. Storm Prediction Center does have all of the Midlands and most of South Carolina, a large portion of North Carolina under this enhanced risk for severe weather later today. So the enhanced risk means numerous storms, some persistent, a few intense. Can't rule out a few tornadoes, damaging wind gusts. That appears to be the main threat, and we can't rule out large hail at this point. A little bit of a closer look over towards the Palmetto State with this enhanced risk. And as we mentioned, there is that threat for damaging wind gusts, especially in this red area. That's going to be the highest threat at this point. Can't rule out a tornado, maybe a tornado warning or two, and large hail in this yellow area. So we do have almost every risk on the table, including heavy downpours. So the main threat is going to be damaging wind gusts, but we can't rule out that tornado warning, and we can't rule out possibility for some hail as well. So between 2 o'clock and 8 o'clock this evening, you do want to pay close attention to the weather. You want to have multiple ways to get those warnings and or watches. Cell phone, weather radio, obviously local TV and radio is a good resource as well. So 2 o'clock until 8 o'clock, damaging wind gusts, tornadoes possible, heavy rainfall, large hail, and as we mentioned, have multiple ways to get those alerts, whether it be a watch and or warning. I will say with the heavy rainfall, these storms are going to be moving pretty quickly, so we don't expect flash flooding to be an issue. But if there is a tornado warning, first and foremost, you do want to stay calm. You want to avoid windows and doors and exterior walls. You want to go to the centermost part of your house away from windows and doors. If you do have a basement, that is the best place. Obviously, a lot of people in South Carolina don't necessarily have basements, but that is a safe place. But you want to go centermost part of your house away from windows and doors, stairwell, a closet, a hallway. But just be weather aware as we do move through the rest of your Monday. So we'll pick things up around 2 o'clock. Showers, storms start to develop, and we could have some severe weather at this point. This is 3 o'clock. Those storms start to spread a little bit more across South Carolina. 4 o'clock, more shower and thunderstorm activity. 5 o'clock, you can see a pretty good line of storms from Cherokee County through parts of Union County over towards Lawrence and even over towards Saluda and Edgefield County, and all that activity will be moving from west to east. This is 6 o'clock, so you're talking about the evening commute here from I-77 in Rock Hill all the way down towards Columbia. That activity will be moving towards the east, and then as we get to about 7 o'clock, the line of showers and storms right along and just west of I-95. By the time we get to about 8 o'clock, the threat for severe weather in the Midlands will be over, but there'll still be at least a threat for some showers and storms along the coastal region of South Carolina. Tomorrow, our weather does improve. We'll enjoy sunshine, and temperatures will probably be in the mid-70s. I will say once we get past today, there's a few small chances for rainfall. The models aren't in agreement a whole lot. So notice the European model showing a chance for rain on Thursday. The American model showing basically dry conditions with a small chance of rain on Wednesday. So at this point, we've got small chances of rain in the forecast for Wednesday and Thursday, and things will be heating up. The State Forestry Commission still has that burn ban for 5 counties: Horry, Spartanburg, Greenville, Pickens, and Oconee. The rest of South Carolina no longer under that burn ban at this point. Yesterday we had a little bit of shower activity, some thunderstorms as well. We did manage to make it to 79 degrees, picked up just a little bit of rainfall at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport, 1/8 of an inch. We'll probably get a little bit more today for at least parts of the Midlands, and we do expect the possibility for severe storms today. Highs in the upper 70s, the low 80s. Our average is closer to 72 degrees. Sunset will be at 7:45. The rain will kind of hold the pollen levels down a touch, but tomorrow those pollen levels will jump right back up. So severe storms possible between 2 and 8 o'clock this evening. High temperatures in the upper 70s, low 80s. Skies do clear tonight with lows in the mid to upper 50s. So we are under this News 19 weather impact alert day for today. Weather does improve, but one thing you will notice in our 7-day forecast, temperatures will be heating up upper 80s to possibly near 90 degrees. The record high Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 91. So we're inching close to record highs, especially on Saturday. We'll have another chance for some rain, it looks like, on Sunday, and that should cool us off just a touch. Looking ahead, Myrtle Beach, not bad over the weekend with high temperatures in the upper 70s. Charleston, upper 70s to near 80 degrees for the upcoming weekend. And if you're traveling towards Greenville, mid 80s on Saturday with a chance for showers and storms on Sunday. But looking ahead, 8 to 14 days out, we do expect cooler than normal conditions. This would be April 7th through April 13th, and possibility for wetter than normal conditions for a sliver of South Carolina and a sliver of the upstate, drier than normal. You can always follow me on these social media outlets. Have a great Monday, but pay close attention to the weather with that threat for severe weather across the Midlands between 2 o'clock and 8 o'clock this evening.